What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Success Principles Sunday. Last week, I was off, okay? But I'm back on. You feel me? So here's the deal. If you're here for the first time, my name is LaShawna, your business therapist and mindset coach. And I'm so excited that you guys are tuning in to Success Principle Sunday. I'm going to give you a quick mindset tip, because at the end of the day, one shift in your mindset can change the trajectory of your day, your month, your life. You feel me? If you're tuning in for the first time, you don't know me. I help entrepreneurs pinpoint the mindset blocks that are stopping them from scaling in life and business. I'm the creator and founder of Pop Up and Create Multi-Purpose Content Creation Studio, as well as Accountability on Demand. And when I think of the word grace, okay, everybody put grace in the chat, whether you're here live or on the replay. When I think of the word grace, it makes me take a deep breath. It makes me lower my shoulders. It makes me lean into just being instead of the hustle, the bustle, the go, the grind, right? And I'll be honest with you. We cannot forsake our wellness for wealth. We cannot sacrifice mental wellness, emotional wellness, physical wellness, social wellness to get into the bag. And so I want you to think about, how have you been doing with giving yourself grace? How have you been doing with when things don't go the way that you want them to go, when you don't close that client or that deal, when you don't get chosen or selected for the thing that you know that you the bomb.com in, right? How do you deal with no? How do you deal with launching a Black Friday sale and nobody buys? How do you deal with investing in programs and you're ready to be a millionaire, you're ready to be a six-figure earner, and life happens and things didn't go the way that you thought they were going to go? You have to give yourself grace and know that this is a part of your journey. You have to give yourself grace and know that it's happening for you and not to you. And the question is when? When are you ready to do it all? When is your opportunity? When are things going to happen for you because you've been waiting so long? Well, let me share a couple things that I want you to do while you're waiting, okay? When I say waiting, what I'm saying is this. We are already enough. We are already ready. But there's some things that you still need to work on that are in the way of you getting to the next step. Put yes in the chat. I want to make sure y'all rocking with me. Put yes. Because this is the thing. Nobody's perfect. We all have blind spots. We all have gaps. When I think of one of mine, it is control. Always want to control things. I don't have a team. I don't have any staff. I'm always wanting to control. Well, guess what? I'm going to have to relinquish control and give whoever that new person is grace, because they're going to be onboarding and learning the accountability on demand way, the LaShawna way, right? But if I continue to be in my own way and I never hire, I never invest in my first staff, I will continue to be on a hamster wheel doing all the things on my own. So that is just an example that I'm sharing with you guys. I want you to think about, what is that thing that you feel like you're ready for, that you feel like hasn't happened for you yet? And then I want you to think about, what is that thing that's in the way that is the reason why you haven't got to the place where you think you deserve to be. Let that simmer in your soul, because that right there is going to help you to pinpoint and break the chain that you continue to be in. When you think of a chain, right? This is not a chain, but it's a link. If this was like long, that's real deep, right, sis? I'm gonna have to pull that out. If this is a chain, it's going to continue to go until I break the chain. We have a lot of negative behaviors, a lot of negative thoughts that we continue to follow on because the chain keeps going and going and going. It's time to break the chain. Once you break the chain of negative thoughts, pessimistic thinking, hanging around people who don't rock with you, doing the same old thing and getting the same result, that's when you will create a new. But you have to give yourself grace through the journey. Because if you don't, you will give up, or you will do it haphazardly because you've lost motivation. So when I say give yourself grace, we can't give ourselves grace if we're not being honest with where we really are. Are you happy? Are you thriving? Are you motivated? Are you ready to get out of bed every day? Are you eager to tap in with your clients? Are you excited about the thing that you are building? I'm in a lull right now. I'm in transition. So yes, I'm kind of excited, but I'm not excited. And nothing's broken, nothing's going wrong, but I am elevating. When you're elevating, everything that used to tickle your fancy, that used to give you butterflies, that used to just be the thing, is no longer the thing. That's okay. That's actually a positive. It actually means that you're growing and you're stretching. So don't think that you're on the wrong track, or that you're not enough, or that people don't want to buy your products. People don't buy products. They buy you. And if you're not showing up as your full authentic self, vulnerable and all, flaws and all, keeping it a buck, they're not going to buy because they can see the energy right through you. We could put on the little face all day long, put on the filter, put on the lashes, put on the wig, get the photo shoots, get the little Canva templates, the little graphics, everything popping. And when you turn off the live, when you turn off the website, when you turn off the phone, when you turn off the Zoom, you have nothing but you. So we got to stop trying to appease other people, because you will never be fulfilled when you try to appease other people. You have to serve you. You have to appease you. You have to pour into you. I always say this, focus on you until the focus is on you. I don't know who this is for. When I do these Sunday success principles, I think of a topic and I just let it roll. I never have notes. Y'all will never see me looking over here, reading notes, this and that. All of this is from the dome because it's from the heart. And it's because I believe in what I am thinking and what I am pursuing and what I'm serving so strongly that I don't need no note cards. I don't need no book. All I need is God and myself and my mind and my brilliance. So I want you to think about where you want to go and what is that gap. We all have a gap. I just shared mine with y'all earlier. Is it a mindset gap? Is it a money mindset gap? Is it a skill gap? Is it a knowledge gap? Is it a motivation gap? Is it a family gap because your family's not supporting you? Is it an environmental gap? Whatever that gap is, you must address the gap if you want to reach the target that you have. This has nothing to do with it about to be 2023. This is about today. This is about tomorrow. This is about next week. Let's get through the now before we thinking about everything else. Because it's baby steps. We always try to skip the steps. We have to stop doing that. Make sense? So I'm going to wrap it up. I love you guys. This is your success principle. If you want to connect with me, you can literally book a complimentary clarity call at MissWestCreativeCoach.com/breakthrough. That's when I'll be able to support you individually and tap in to really pinpoint what that mindset block is. Because I partner with you in this journey. It's not about it's about how we can connect and dig through the deep stuff so you can get to the other side. Okay? If you just tuned in, make sure to watch the replay. You guys have an amazing day, and I'm so excited about what's happening in this new season for all of us. Whether you're a business owner, whether you're a single parent, whether you're a side hustler, right? Whether you're a 9-to-5er on your brinks to being a full-time entrepreneur, or whether you're doing a little bit of both. Because every part of your journey is important, okay? On that note, I'll talk to you guys later.